Hi, I'm Nathan from Rubi UK, and today we'll be looking at the TZ range of manual tile cutters. They come in 4 different sizes. They come in the 850, the 1020, 1300 and 1550 versions. They're for intensive cutting of porcelain, ceramic and especially larger format porcelain tiles. This is because of the 1500 kilogram single hand operated operating system, which at 1500 kilograms is the strongest in the market. The TZ comes with 2 different sizes of scoring wheel. Comes with the 8mm scoring wheel for smooth or flat porcelain. It also comes with the new 22mm extreme scoring wheel, which is for hard to cut porcelain and textured porcelain. There are 6 support arms on the machine, 3 either side. These support the bed and they also support the larger format tiles. The angular measuring bar comes in 2 separate pieces, which could be very handy. If space is at a premium, you can work off just the one side of the bar. If you want a more accurate cut of a larger format tile, you can use both sides. And then, as normal, slide the lateral stop up and tighten as necessary. The angular measuring bar is very easily adjusted. Just a little turn on the locking nut there allows you to angle it through preset angles, which you find with the finding nut, and turn off and lock again. Half turn to release, find, lock off. It has a handle and wheels attached for easy transportation. If we have a closer look at the unique braking system of the TZ, we'll find 6 bearings that run along 2 specially designed aluminium rails. These offer extra rigidity and strength for when you brake with the extra power of the TZ cutter. The breaker has 3 positions. The first position is for braking of materials between 21 and 15mm thick. The second position is also a braking position, and this then is for materials between 3mm and 15mm thick. The final position then releases the breaker back to the scoring position where you score the tile again. Very easy to change or adjust the height of the scoring wheel. A simple twist of the handle allows you to remove or adjust the height, and a simple twist back locks it off again and you're ready to go. We've had a look at some of the characteristics of the TZ. Now we're going to have a look at how it performs. I have a very large format wood effect porcelain here, and we're going to see how it does. And now we're going to have a look at how the TZ performs on large format diagonal tiles. Having to adjust the angular measuring bar, finding the 45-degree angle and locking it off. And now we're going to see how the TZ copes with some 2cm porcelain. As you can see, perfect cut. Thank you for watching. The TZ is available now. Any comments, please contact our social media. Any questions, contact rubi.com. Thank you.